How do we get stronger, smoother, faster? The answer? We do it together. For 21 years, our mission at DryPro has been to change lives. And now, we're not alone in that journey. So the reason that we decided to partner with Groundworks is because I was trying to figure out a way how our company could be around for 100 years as well. Not only the generation after me, but the following generations.
We've always been on a mission to change lives. And the merger with Groundworks is going to give us the opportunity to get there faster. Knowing Ron and Holly, it goes back to growth and setting people up for success.
They want to leave a legacy. They want to pass on that vision.
And I felt like Groundworks gave us the opportunity to be able to do that.
The limit to the potential of the business is based on the leaders, and joining Groundworks is really going to help the leaders grow, which will help the employees in the company grow.
We've got some young leaders that are coming up and some leaders that are already leading, and I'm excited to see what the next phase for them is going to be. And
the biggest opportunity for our employees with this partnership is mobility throughout the country, throughout positions.
If they are looking to be like a superintendent, a manager or something, they can try that out in another area.
This partnership with Groundworks is going to be incredible.
Our team is going to have opportunities that's going to be presented to them that they won't get anywhere else.
DryPro is always going to be DryPro no matter what.
You know, whether it's a Spartan race or flag football or whatever it is, our culture is very strong. This allows us just to be stronger.
It's going to make a lot of the processes stronger, make the people stronger, make what we're offering to the consumer stronger.
You know, my commitment is to continue that legacy, to reinvest in the brand, reinvest in the people, and continue to build this great brand so that it is a 100-year brand.
This is really going to help us hit the growth that we're really wanting to hit, but do it smoother, do it faster, and do it with having a lot more fun along the way.
The support that we get from Groundworks, the technology, the specifically designed products that are going to take us to the next level.
We go from being a local Charlotte company to now a national company, but still have a local Charlotte company feel.
We think we have a pretty kick-ass thing going at DryPro, and it's going to be fun to pool the numbers and really see how we stack up.
I'm going to say we're going to raise the bar. That's what I feel. This is probably the biggest thing that most of our current employees are ever going to experience.
It's time to go further, faster. Time to make the road ahead smoother. We will always be DryPro strong, but together we will become DryPro stronger.